Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Shastra and Vaisheshya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So in the last session, I have dealt regarding the Swaras Kalpana. So in the today's session, we can do the continuation of that session. So we can deal regarding the Swaras Kalpana. So it's Prakshepaka Dravyas and their quantity. So if honey or sugar or ghee, jaggery are used, then according to the Sharangar, its dose, its quantity should be in 1 kola matra, and according to the Yadavji also he has mentioned the 1 kola matra. So if Lavana, Kshara, Churnas are used as Prakshepaka Dravyas and its dose according to the Acharya Sharangar is 1 kola, and according to Yadavji is quantity sufficient. And if Taila Jiraka are used as Prakshepak Dravyas, and its dose should be 1 kola according to the Acharya Sharanagara. So coming to the dose of the Swarasa. So according to the Ashtanga Sangraha, he has mentioned the dose of the Swarasa is 4 pala. So you know that 1 pala is 48 grams. And here according to the Acharya Ashtanga Sangraha, the dose is 4 pala, and Ashtanga Hridaya dose is 4 pala, and according to Shushruta Samhita they mentioned the dose is half pala, and according to Acharyas according to Sharangadhara Samhita the dose is 1 pala if it is Agni Siddha Swarasa, that is if the Swarasa is prepared by using the with the help of the Agni, then it is 1 pala, and if it is Niragni Siddha Swarasa, so it is half pala. So because Niragni Siddha Swarasa it will be more potent as well as Guru, so it is the dose should be in of the half pala, that is 24 grams or 24 ml. So coming to the Saviryatha Avadhi or the shelf life of the Swaras Kalpana. So here the Saviryatha Avadhi of the Swaras is Satyo Sevana, that is fresh use of the medicament is indicated, and that is for the instant use only. So next coming to the uses of the Swarasa. So therapeutically Swarasa, so it is used to cure the different diseases as medicine and anupana as well as rasayana. So in the diseases, Vasa Swarasa, it is indicated in case of the Raktapittha, Kasa, Chwara. So Jambuvadi example like Jambuvadi Swarasa in case of the Raktatisara, and Dronapushpi Swarasa in case of the Vishamachwara. So as the Anupana, so in Tribhuvana Kirti Rasa, it should be given along with Ardraka Swarasa and Chandraprabhavati along with the Kadalikanda Swarasa and Tapachwara Matra with the Tulasi Swarasa. So as a Rasayana, so use of the Mandukapandi Swarasa as a Methya Rasayana can be given. Next, pharmaceutical uses of the Swarasa. So as a Bhavana Dravya. So examples like Bhavana of Amalaki Churna with Amalaki Swarasa for the 100 times, which is indicated in, which is an ingredient in the Indrokta Rasayana. So as Shodhana media like Shodhana of Hingula is done in Adraka Swarasa, and Swedhana of this one Harathal is done in Kushmanda Swarasa, like that. As a Shodhana also Swarasa can be used. And to prepare like different secondary preparations. So while preparing the Vati, Avaleha, Arishta, Sneha, etc. Kalpanas, Swarasas are used. So next like preparation guidelines. So here drugs should be collected in the early morning, and it should be devoid of uh, uh, any like sorry, it should be uh, Kalka is devoid of juice, and it should be squeezed, and Swarupanasha of the drug should be happen, and it should be devoid of water after washing also. Next coming to the advantages. So here Guruta and Viryata is comparatively maximum in Swarasa, and it is also easy to prepare and takes less time for the preparation, and like sophisticated instruments it is not needed for the preparation of the Swarasa. So coming to the disadvantage part. So it is sadhya sevana, that for the instant use only. So we can't preserve this swarasa. So it is difficult as it is in liquid form. It is difficult in transportation also, and it is not always like palatable. And since it is guru, it is difficult to digest also. If there is mandakni condition, so swarasa is difficult to digest. So drugs which are like nauseating to the patients, it cannot be given in the swarasa form. Next, coming to the examples. So first one is the Artraka Swarasa, reference from the Sharangadar Madhyam Khand, first chapter, 13 shloka number. So Artraka Swarasa Kshaudra Yukto Prushana Vatanut Shwasa Kasa Aruchir Hanti Pratishyaya Vyapohati. So here, desired quantity of the adrak. Adrak is nothing but the ginger. Freshly collected adrak is washed properly and wiped with the help of the cloth, and then its outer covering should be removed, and then it is cut into smaller pieces and then pounded properly in khalva yantra, so till it becomes a proper paste like thing, and then the obtained paste should be squeezed in a clean cotton cloth and juice is extracted. And after that, the juice what is obtained is called as the adrak swaras. And the dose is like half full of this medicine should be administered along with the one coal of the honey, and it is found beneficial in case of the shwasa kasa aruchi pratishyaya etc. Next, Tulasi and Drona Pushpi Swarasa. So, Sharangadar Madhyam Khand, first chapter, 10 shloka number, it is mentioned that Pito Maricha Churnena Tulasi Patracho Rasaha Drona Pushpi Rasova Api Nihantu Vishamachorhan. So, here the freshly collected drug, it should be washed properly with the clean water, and then it should be devoid of the water, and after that, it should be pound in properly in khalva yantra, then it should be made into paste pound. That paste should be kept in the clean cotton cloth, and then the juice should be extracted. And the dosage is half pal of this medicine is administered along with one coal of maricha churna, and this both tulasi as well as the drona pushpi surasa are beneficial in case of the vishama chwara. So next is the Shatavari Kritakumari Swarasa. So here Shatavarya Madhuna Pittashulaharo Rasaha Nishachurnayutaha Kanya Rasaha Pliha Apachi Haraha. Sharangadar Madhyam Khand, first chapter. So here here desired quantity of freshly collected shatavari moola, that is asparagus racemosus, it is washed and then wiped and then pounded, and after that it is squeezed with a clean cloth and juice is extracted, and it is called as the shatavari swarasa. And in case of the kumari is nothing but the aloe vera, so it should be washed properly, and after that its thorns should be removed, and its outer skin should be removed by with the help of the knife, and the pulp should be collected, and then it is squeezed with the help of the clean cotton cloth. So dose is one pal of this medicine along with one coal of the honey. So it is found beneficial in case of the pittaja shula, and here, sorry, half pala dose is the half pala of this medicine should be given in case of the Shatavari Swarasa, and in case of the Kumari Swarasa, half pala of the Swarasa it should be given along with the one kola of the Haridra Churna, and it is beneficial in case of the Pliha Vriddhi or the Apachi, that is goiter. And next is the Vasa Putapaka Swarasa, and this is the Agni Siddha method. So shloka according to Sharangadar Madhyam Khand, shloka is like this: Pistana Prishapatrana Putapakaraso Himaha Madhuyukto Chayit Raktapitta Kasa Jwara Shayan. So dose is mm, one the method of preparation is the general method of preparation of the Pitapaka Swarasa, and dose here is one pala, as it is Agni Siddha and it is somewhat lighter for digestion when compared to the Niragnisita method. So here dose is one pal of this medicine, and it is administered along with one coal of the honey, and it is found in case beneficial in case of the Raktapitta, Kasa, Shwasa, Vishamachara, as well as in case of the Kshaya. So this is regarding today's topic. Swaras Kalpana. So if you have any queries, please to mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.